morning. It's day 3. And we are... It's 3. We in Cozumel. We're eating breakfast and gotta have my coffee. Yesterday was day 2. Sunday, the first day. Monday was the second day. Today Tuesday is the third day. I just had a burrito from a Blue Iguana Canteen. It was so good. Like, that's my first time ever eating it. No line like everybody else. Amara got cereal, and Mari is eating the next table over with my mom now. Bunch of like bacon and typical breakfast stuff. As soon as we finish eating, we're gonna head off the boat and to Paradise Beach. Yeah, party. Alright, so we made it to Paradise Beach. Y'all say hey to the vlog.
Hey! Hey, on Paradise, I'm in Paradise.
It's a little windy, so the kids can't get on the inflatables. But I guess we could either do a banana boat or we'll do some jet skis, huh, Joe? We hit some jet skis. Right now we're just enjoying this breeze. We're gonna go snorkeling. Oh, look at that in the water. That was, I didn't remember seeing that before. That, look.
Oh.
Yeah. It's so pretty out here. I could like literally fall asleep. Like for real. You ready to go snorkel, honey?
Yeah.
Let me check you out. Oh, snap, crackle, and pop. Let's see if these swimming lessons paid off, okay? Walk with your feet out to the side. Look at this fool.
Where are we going?
Go past that flag.
Yellow flag. A newborn baby just learning to walk. Let's go. Hey, you ain't go. Okay.
Johnny!
I'm sorry.
You can't be kicking that sign in people's face, no?
I'm sorry, y'all.
You kicked it in our face.
I'm sorry.
She just learned to walk.
All right. Go put my stuff on over there. I'm here for this for the next 10 years.
Look at we love to be seen the same, my face.
Let me put this on in case I go ice. I look like I'm surfing now.
So we paid to rent jet skis. So it was Joseph and Ahmad, and me and my daughter Amari. So the waves are whipping out. Like it was so strong. I couldn't do it. I'm too scared. I got all the way out there and turned all the way back around and get a damn jet ski to my aunt. So she's riding on the jet skis with my daughter. Like, and all I kept thinking about is if I fall in this water, my lace front might fall out. Like, and I have a sewing, so I know that's ridiculous, but still, I'm not ready to make that plunge. Like, no. And it's deep out there. And the waves is kicking. And I can swim. My kids can swim, but not today. No. Not today. My daughter and my auntie flips off the fucking jet ski. There's Amari. And Johnny's way over there.
Hey, y'all.
They dragging her because she flipped over.
Somebody, oh!
He needs some milk.
Amar, you like your drink?
Can you put it over there, please?
Thank you. Virgin pina colada, and it's good too. Johnny, you all right over there?
Yeah. Had to get that taste of real water.
I don't think so.
We just got finished snorkeling. We had fun. We didn't do it for as long as we usually do. God damn, this sun is strong. But we getting ready to head back to the boat and do some shopping.
Yeah, they got a pool too. They got a pool,
My mother gonna have to.
and it's not cold. I think it's
Yeah.
it's not even cold like that.
Wow. I don't think I ever tried that one. Maybe.
My barbecue's good. And then the Szechuan's
I
my
usually
favorite.
get the Szechuan.
We have chopsticks.
This guy gonna go extra greedy. Got Mongolian wok. Got some jerk chicken, some fried plantains, and some seafood fritters, which I'm not really sure what that is. And I got bread pudding tart and tiramisu cheesecake. So yeah, I'm not gonna eat all this. Joey got his Mongolian wok. We usually share. All the weird things. Let's split this. Hi, teacher.
I thought I said soy sauce, but it's kind of dry. It's alright.
I don't like
I know they got some stainless soy sauce somewhere.
and my earrings. I got this from the other cruise earlier this year, same boat. We're about to drop a mod off to camp, and then we're going to dinner. Joe, you don't feel good. I'm Mari. Okay, so I am back from dinner, and then it was great. My mom and my daughter wound up meeting us. But we are going through some pretty rocky waters. Like, this boat is rocking, and we're on the 9th floor, so I'm gonna take some Dramamine and see if that helps. Joseph just went and got a mod from camp, and they're headed down to the deli to get a mod, like some pizza or a hamburger or a hot dog or something. But I am super nauseous, and I'm gonna lay down, so my lips are so chapped. But I'll check back in with you guys later. Side note, I've been using that for a solid beauty oil, and oh my god, it is working miracles after being on the beach all day and having that sand and salt water dry on my skin. So I don't have on no makeup. I filled in my brows a little bit, but I don't feel good, so I'll check back in later.